Hi, so this is the JOEmo lid. It also fits on the Roam and our JOEmo as well. And I'm going to show you how to take it apart so you can clean it. So first you want to click the button, then turn it to the side, give it a tap, and this will release the button and the black ring. But if you want to take it a step further, you can press this white gear in, pull on the black disc, and it will disassemble the spring as well as the white gear. So now you have 6 pieces. So now we're going to put it back together. Take the big lid, put it on top of the black disc, take your spring, put it in the middle, take your white gear, push it down till it clicks, take the black button, put it on top of the gear, then take your black ring, put it on the button, might need to wiggle it in there, and then click it down. You're good to go.